Hey everyone, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun Mini to treat your feet. Whether you're training for your next marathon or your job requires you to stand all day, as the body parts supporting everything above, your feet and ankles can become stiff, sore, or carry tension. The Theragun Mini is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. And the best part is, because it's compact size, it's our most portable device and can provide you the muscle treatment you need anytime, anywhere. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the standard ball for the feet. If you have additional attachments, consider using the cone for this application for a more intense, targeted treatment. You can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow us to personalize usage to our own needs. Step 2, turn on your device by holding the power button. Then set your treatment speed by clicking the same button. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now for the fun part, using your Theragun Mini. You can use the Theragun Mini both over your shoes or on your feet directly. If you're using your Theragun Mini to activate or warm up your feet, we recommend the following protocol. Applying the device over the shoe provides a more broad percussive effect. Move the Theragun along the entire length of your foot, right over the shoe at a moderate pace for 30 seconds. Then apply it to your other foot. When applying it directly to the foot, to recover or relax the muscles, move the Theragun slowly around the entire length of the foot for 2 minutes maximum, then repeat on your other foot. If you have the cone, I love using it directly on the foot, which provides a deeper, more targeted treatment. This is going to provide immediate relief in the palm of your hand. We want your Theragun Mini to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed and attachment combinations to find the one that's right for you.